The error code P1 on a Rheem Tankless water heater indicates a water flow problem, which can be caused by low water pressure, a clogged water filter, or a faulty water circulation line. To fix this issue, start by inspecting the water pressure from the supply source. Turn off other appliances. Locate the pressure gauge on the tankless water heater, and slowly turn on the water supply to measure the pressure. Refer to the user manual for the recommended water pressure and adjust it if necessary. Next, inspect the water filters by unplugging the appliance, removing the covering panel, and checking for sediment accumulation. Clean the filters with a soft brush and clean water, or replace them if they are too clogged. Then, inspect the water circulation line for damage such as leaks, kinks, corrosion, or clogs, and remove any blockages or replace damaged elements. After reassembling the appliance, test it to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, it may be necessary to contact a professional for further guidance.